In this rapid changing world of dust pollution, we strive for excellence continually. HeroPro Max Air Purifier. Upgraded new generation of HeroPro Max. Featuring all-new laser sensor. Increased precision in dust detection scanning. Multi-layer filtration effectively removes various pollutants. UV light kills and prevents bacteria growth. US certified blue antiviral filter effectively removes viruses, providing medical-grade air purification. Wide coverage and rapid air purification in large spaces. Imported DC motor from Japan. Low energy and quiet, ensuring your sleep undisturbed. Made for diverse indoor environments. HeroPro Max, beyond imagination, renewed aesthetics, redefines your experience.